This is the actual runway, and this is coming onto the runway.
This is the latest technology Dave Bailey is working with as CEO of Rapid Mapping. It's called Life Dimension.
We go out and capture real-world scenes and objects using LiDAR and a digital photograph and GPS.
Basically, the technology can reconstruct scenes and objects. Once loaded into the computer, a user is able to navigate, measure, and create what-if scenarios. Dave says there's no technology like it out there. He got in on the ground floor of the company to help make it a success, something he has a lot of experience with.
I was the electrical engineer that developed a depth detecting system for atomic submarines.
His first job out of school, he then went on to work for IBM.
The IBM company, I worked in engineering and engineering management for nearly 15 years.
After IBM canceled a software storage project Dave was working on, he decided to get a crew together, raise some money, and branch out on his own to finish that project.
We started the iOmega company.
Now a billion-dollar company. After seeing success with iOmega, Dave left and started up another technology company with a few other partners.
Within 27 months, we were purchased by the Hewlett-Packard HP company.
It's a pattern Dave seems to follow. He was involved in the startup of 3 more companies. Then Rapid Mapping came knocking.
Dave is he's really good with people, but he has a technical background.
Jim Jensen thinks that's Dave's winning combo. He's known Dave in the business realm for 20 years. When his son-in-law developed the Life Dimension technology, he knew Dave was the one to take the company to new heights.
And he has a track record of being successful in an entrepreneurial environment.
Dave is also a family man. One of his 4 children, Kurt, vowed as a teenager to follow in Dad's footsteps.
You know, watching him and watching what he was doing, I kind of came up with the plan of, okay, I'm going to follow in that direction.
Kurt works in the technology field now. He and Dave hope to start a business together someday. He's talked long and hard with his dad about his successes, studying how Dave's made so many businesses work.
He's one of the very few that I think has the ability to see out 4 or 5 years.
This isn't the first time Dave's been recognized for his entrepreneurial skills.
He was inducted into the Utah Entrepreneurial Hall of Fame.
He was also voted Entrepreneur of the Year back in the 80s, and Dave's still plugging along. He doesn't intend to stop now.
People say, why don't you retire? And I say, well, what would I do if I retired?